hello everyone, and welcome to this audio podcast. This audio podcast as part of the LabZtorm Baracade. This audio podcast as part of Barnacle and Storm and Bostics. This audio podcast as part of the Ship Mode Squad. This audio podcast as part of a Storm Lobostics production. In this audio podcast, I look at now in around hip hop, young people, and mainstream media and social media. So, young people and the public can use mainstream and social media to help inform healthcare decisions. There is also compelling evidence amongst the literature that inform healthcare service users who are proactive participants in managing aspects of healthcare can have better healthcare outcomes than those who are simply passive recipients of healthcare. At the same time, with initiation of social media, online spaces as important places, as important places for knowledge uh, um, sorry can be important spaces, online spaces for important online spaces for knowledge acquisition and resource acquisition. Utilization can also help integrate aspects of healthcare. Hip hop has also a potential to better care, enhancing efficiency of healthcare services and quality between healthcare sectors. Social media use in this context, in the context of healthcare service, or healthcare services can also be identified as an essential tool with wherein both healthcare service users and providers identify information, evidence, and practice surrounding healthcare, or in around healthcare services and illnesses. Joined up initiatives can also help co-develop skills and confidence to manage intricate healthcare systems. Service provision can be linked or interlinked and integrated between social media platforms, or online learning to integrate, for example, with electronic patient records, or EPRs, to ensure interoperability and compliance. For example, linked to general data protection regulation, or GDPR practice guidelines. That draws this audio podcast to a close. This audio podcast, as part of the LabZtorm Barricade. This audio podcast as part of a Barnacle and Storm and Bostics. This audio podcast as part of the Shipmode Squad. This audio podcast as part of a Storm Lobostics production.